The first thing is an enormous water crossing. Oh, that's awesome. Well played, Maps, or whatever your name is. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the logbook. My name is Jeff. You can call me Squirrel. I just edited the episode where we were in Squirrel, and I loved it. Anyway, today we are going left, which means towards the Pacific Ocean, and it is supposed to be obscenely hot. So I've packed a whole bunch of extra water and cold water too, and insulated it, so it's pretty nice. Hopefully that stays. Yeah, well, let's kick off. So we're taking a ferry today, and then we're gonna be, I think, on the ocean for a bit. So that should be fun. So let's go to the map, and I'll show you. Okay, back to mapping it up. So we came in from Sisula, and we rolled up to Limon, and then that was where we took the super fun day. Rolled up to Squirrel, that's where Squirrel is, and then that Limon to Squirrel, and then that's when we hit the dirt road, and dirt road took us to Volcan Turrialba, and it was like that. And so that's where the Turrialba was. And then when we went to the next day, we did another left, I think, and we went and visited another volcano, and then cruised down those rad roads, and we're in San Jose right now. Now we flipped for left, so we were either gonna go awesomely into the mountains, but we're not. But it is gonna be equally fun because we're gonna go, and there's a ferry right here, and we're gonna go over into this area. So that could be fun. So yeah, we get some mountain stuff here, and then we go through a really cool spit, and then we take a ferry, and then we're over here. My God, my bike is so squeaky clean. Gunther, what have you done? So yeah, we are going to go first of all to, there's an outdoor shop. Hola. There's an outdoor shop that has butane, or hopefully has butane. And when I bought it in Oaxaca, it was 40 bucks for a big thing of it. Here it looks like it is 8. So I'm gonna try and pick up that. It also says the store is closed until 10, so we'll see how that goes. Anyway, rolling. I'm excited to get back on the road. I was hanging out at that Airbnb, which was lovely, by the way, and got a lot of work done. It was great, but I kind of lost the well, my raison d'etre is to ride. Wow, this this is a new experience. I'm riding Gunther again for the first time. So there is obviously the grease or whatever, the shining agent that is on the plastics is also on my brake discs, or pads, probably discs, but it's making slippery stoppings along with my tires as well. Sitting down, I'm squeaking everywhere. It's really funny. I wish it was louder so you could tell. I tried to pick the one without the tolls, but I was obviously unsuccessful. Here we go. Bring on the embarrassment. Come on. There we go. Haha, yes! Success! I feel like a grown-up. I can pay for it. I think it's the first in all of Central America. It's the first one of those gates, whether it's a toll or parking or whatever, that I haven't just gone around. I actually paid. And we are at the store, but it looks like it's closed. Let's see, it's closed. Está cerrado? Está cerrado? No abierto?
A las 10.
Oh, okay. Gracias. Yeah, that's enough of that. The good thing, I guess I should program in where we're going. The good thing about the AeroPress from the delightful people at wherever it was, you can do a cold brew with it as well, which is awesome. So I'm very excited for that. Okay. Okay, we got $1.50. I gotta go. Oh, I gotta go out. And the quickest way, apparently, is to get back on the highway, going the wrong way. Oh, not on the highway. Ooh, that was close. This has been my fourth one. Hola. Gracias. Oh God. So it has gotten very, very hot. It's just after 9:30. It is yikesy hot, and this traffic is not helping. Oh, need to get some air. Via manual and quick pass. Well, I don't have a quick pass, so this is gonna have to do. Hola. Oops. I had my kill switch on. Oh yeah. Not an adult. Not an adult. Well, traffic has been super fun. Oh man, I go straight. Of course. Oh, we got motion. How about that? And beach these. Land bridge these. Or is that a river? Fish boats. And stinky ocean. Oh man, I want to close this, but I don't know. It's the difference between hot and stinky. Hot, stinky, hot, stinky, hot, stinky, hot, stinky. I don't know, man. So I found a taco place right by the ferry. The ferry leaves at noon, which is in 2 hours. We're a half hour away. That gives us an hour and a half to eat some tacos and maybe buy a ticket for the ferry. So I think we're good. Oh man, it's so hot. It is so hot out. Yikes. Punta Arenas, that's where we're going. This is beautiful though. So Punta Arenas is at the end of a spit, and you can see it here. So it's a really skinny part, and then it's kind of like the head of a snake at the end where the ferry is. So yeah, we should be able to see, you know, ocean on both sides, or ocean and power lines. It's very beautiful. All right, we're almost at the port, and I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna get a ticket before I go get food, just so I have it. It's taken care of. Blah 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 blah. Punta Pirata. If I can, dude. I don't know if I can. There's a restaurant over here. Oh wait. Where's the ferry? Okay, it's over here. I guess I should have looked up where the ferry is. Whatever that is, it looks pretty popular. They really play up the pirate thing over here. Pirate ships. There's the ferry. This is where I get to pay for the ferry. Can't tell if this is a lineup. Holy shit, that was a show. Thankfully I got in that line immediately, because there is the line was big, and I didn't really know what I was doing. You have to go get a card for the ferry for your motorcycle, and then you can go and buy a ticket. You can't just buy a ticket. I don't know why, but whatever. So yeah, we're all square. It is 11 o'clock, and it is time to, I don't know if I have time to eat. Well, we'll find out in the next clip. Okay, this is really funny, because I got painted in by a big beer truck, and the last thing I want to do is complain about a beer truck. But it's time to go and hop on the ferry. That is responsible Jeff talking. Irresponsible Jeff was like, oh, I think we should get another hamburger. So we're only like a block away from the ferry, so I figured we just go, rip the band-aid off, get on there, because that would be a stressful sandwich, you know what I mean? Just notice that Sean Penn and his girlfriend are hanging out in the back of that truck. Very funny. This is ridiculous. I don't know what's going on here, man. It's just silly. Hola. Okay. Oh. There's not even a ferry here. Or is that the ferry? Is that the ferry? I don't know, I can't tell. Oh, are they putting people on? Do they want me on? Ay, ay, ay. Oh, this is early days, man. I'm here way too early. I'm way too early. Oh, maybe I should go somewhere. Ooh, there's a bar and a restaurant right there. Should we go? No, let's. Oh, yeah. Oh man, it's right there. I wonder if I'm going to be allowed off if I go. Hola. Gracias. Should I race this guy down there? Yeah, let's do it. ¿Dónde va? Alright, where's this guy gonna want me? Alright, we're on the ferry. Let's go see if they have a top deck where they serve martinis and old fashions. We made it upstairs. They don't have, unfortunately,
old fashions, or whatever I said before. But anyway, we are ready to go, and this sailing goes quite a few times today, and there's another port on the other side. It's not an island, it's more of a big sound that you have to cross, or you just drive around it, but this is obviously easier. And yeah, so we're just crossing. The 5 o'clock one apparently is the best one. It's the sunset one, so that's really cool. But we're a little early for that, and we'll get to this side, figure that one out when we get there. I might book Airbnb or a hotel or something while we're on the boat, so we have somewhere to go to. All right, enjoy. The music just ended and everyone headed for the exits like the end of a goddamn Zumba class. So I guess we're getting close to port, which I gotta find my bike. Where's my bike? I was just given the green light by the guy that was swabbing the decks, the matey, I can't think of any of the pirate terms. But he told me I could go, so I'm going. Anyway, I haven't plugged in where I'm going. I just figured I'm hungry. This is a port town on account of being at a port, like coming off the boat. So there's got to be a restaurant. It's probably going to be pirate themed. Ideally not a ton of kids. But you know, beggars can't be choosers right now. I'm just gonna pick the first, ideally not pirate themed bar / restaurant that I can find. Ooh. In Costa Rica, things like restaurants, there's restaurants called sodas, and they serve kind of typical food. It's called típico. And it's food that's, you know, just typical food. It would be sort of like if you were in America, it would be like, yeah, you got your hamburgers, you know, everything that's unhealthy. So that's where we're gonna, oh man, just being behind this truck is unhealthy. Oh man. All right, let's sort this one out. Yikes. I was just coming around this corner here where the bus is, and ta-da! Right? La Gallada bar restaurant in wherever we are. Oh, wow. Okay. Gracias. They have not only figured out a great bistec, but they have figured out how to do McDonald's fries. McDonald's fries. Oh, so impressive. Oh, wow. Buenas. McDonald's fries, man. Those fries were the closest I've ever seen to McDonald's fries. They had the slice, the salt, the lack of beef tallow. It's so good. Wow, I was really impressed. It took me forever to get through my food because I forgot about the bistec till the end because everything else was so good. There you go. And I also didn't film any of it because the music was so obscenely loud. But, you know, welcome to here. Well, another dirt road. Oh, what's up, pedo? Look at you. How you doing, little guy? Hola. Come here. Oh, don't be shy. Alright, we got, oh, Jesus. Really? The first thing is an enormous water crossing? Oh, that's awesome. Well played, Maps, or whatever your name is. Oh, and mud on the way down, which means it's mud on the way up if I decide not to do it. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Alright, let's go take a look. Alright, so it's not that bad, but I'm gonna switch to boots just because I don't want to get my shoes wet. So I saw a bike go through, I just saw that truck go through. It's pretty mellow. That truck just went through, and now I can't see the bottom of the crossing. So it should be pretty easy. That's famous last words. Alright, here we go. Ooh, a little squirrely in the back end there. That's a lot of work. Yeah, I got my foot wet. I got both feet wet, so it was all worth it. Alright, recenter. Well, yeah, so we're on dirt, which is awesome. Now we can have some fun. That is a low power line. Yikes. And we're 5 minutes away. We are on the road. We're taking a Lorenzo coming up here. Well, obviously on the left. Road has been a lot of fun. Way better than the cement road. I think we should let's get rid of cement roads from now on. Alright, so here's our Lorenzo, and then it's supposedly beside a sushi place. Yeah, alright, we're almost there. So it's, the funny thing about this place, which I'm kind of excited for, well, it has AC, which is huge right now. And then also, oh, here it is. Well, can I get a drum roll maybe? Here it is. Are you ready for this? This is the whole place for right now. It's got a pool, right? And they've already put rose petals in it for me. Oh yes, rose petal pool style. That's awesome. It's really hot out and I want to get in the pool. Oh boy, here we go. Oh, it's slippery too. So you know it's good. Oh. I can't tell if it's hotter inside the pool or outside the pool. It doesn't matter, it's just good. Oh, nothing matters anymore. Thank you very much for watching. It was today. Not the best of all, but it was a short one, thankfully. Anyway, tomorrow we'll flip again. Tomorrow we're gonna do north or left, I think. So we'll figure that one out. But that'll be for tomorrow. And yeah, go out there, find someone, and make them laugh. I think I'm just gonna have to navigate like it's the 1990s. You know, maybe paper maps, asking a lot of questions.